Yes, we back with Panda Express. If you got a problem with it, please contact management. But at the moment, we are currently closed.
Hey, that's some bullshit.
They still popping fireworks. I don't know if you can hear them or not. Boy, I thought somebody was shooting this morning.
I can't take it too far.
I swear they put a love potion in that chicken, boy. At this point, I don't care what it is. They can tell me it's baby kangaroo ankles. I'ma still eat it.
Who the stones?
Yes, Lord.